Question 1. Who was the first ever Nobel Prize winner in physics? A. Marie Curie. B. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. C. Albert Einstein. D. Max Planck. The correct answer is Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen. Röntgen received the very first Nobel Prize in Physics in 1901 for his discovery of X-rays in 1895, which revolutionized medical imaging forever. Next question in 3. Question 2. How many categories are there in the Nobel Prize? A. 4 categories. B. 5 categories. C. 6 categories. D. 7 categories. The correct answer is 6 categories. The Nobel Prize has 6 categories: physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, peace, and economic sciences. Next question in 3. Question 3. Who founded the Nobel Prize? A. Charles Darwin. B. Alfred Nobel. C. Isaac Newton. D. Louis Pasteur. The correct answer is Alfred Nobel. Alfred Nobel, Swedish inventor of dynamite, established the Nobel Prize in his 1895 will and donated 94% of his wealth to fund these prestigious awards. Next question in 3. Question 4. Which person has won the most Nobel Prizes? A. Linus Pauling. B. Marie Curie. C. Frederick Sanger. D. John Bardeen. The correct answer is Marie Curie. Marie Curie is unique in winning Nobel Prizes in 2 sciences, physics in 1903 and chemistry in 1911, a record that still stands today. Next question in 3. Question 5. Who was the youngest person ever to receive the Nobel Peace Prize? A. Mother Teresa. B. Nelson Mandela. C. Malala Yousafzai. D. Aung San Suu Kyi. The correct answer is Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 at just 17 years old, the youngest Nobel laureate in history, for her advocacy of girls' education. Next question in 3. Question 6. Which famous philosopher refused the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1964? A. Ernest Hemingway. B. Jean-Paul Sartre. C. Samuel Beckett. D. Albert Camus. The correct answer is Jean-Paul Sartre. Jean-Paul Sartre voluntarily declined the 1964 Nobel Prize in Literature, stating he had always refused official distinctions to preserve his personal integrity. Next question in 3. Question 7. In which year was the very first Nobel Prize awarded? A. 1895. B. 1898. C. 1901. D. 1905. The correct answer is 1901. The first Nobel Prizes were awarded on December 10, 1901, exactly 5 years after Alfred Nobel's death on December 10, 1896. Next question in 3. Question 8. Which organization has won the Nobel Peace Prize the most times? A. United Nations. B. International Red Cross. C. Doctors Without Borders. D. Amnesty International. The correct answer is International Red Cross, CROSS. The Cross has won the Nobel Peace Prize 3 times, in 1917, 1944, and 1963, more than any other individual or organization in history. Next question in 3. Question 9. What material is the Nobel Prize medal made of? A. Pure gold. B. Pure platinum. C. 18-karat green gold, gold plated. D. Sterling silver. The correct answer is 18-karat green gold, gold plated. Nobel Prize medals are made of 18-karat green gold plated with 24-karat gold. Each medal weighs about 175 grams and measures 66 millimeters in diameter. Next question in 3. Question 10. On which date are Nobel Prizes officially awarded each year? A. January 1st. B. October 15th. C. November 30th. D. December 10th. The correct answer is December 10th. Nobel Prizes are awarded every December 10th, marking the anniversary of Alfred Nobel's death in 1896. Ceremonies are held in Stockholm and Oslo. Next question in 3. Question 11. Which scientist won the Nobel Prize for discovering penicillin? A. Louis Pasteur. B. Joseph Lister. C. Alexander Fleming. D. Robert Koch. The correct answer is Alexander Fleming. Alexander Fleming, along with Florian Chain, won the 1945 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for discovering penicillin, the world's first antibiotic. Next question in 3. Question 12. Albert Einstein won the Nobel Prize in Physics for which discovery? A. Theory of relativity. B. Photoelectric effect. C. Quantum mechanics. D. Nuclear fission. The correct answer is photoelectric effect. Einstein won the 1921 Nobel Prize for his discovery of the photoelectric effect, not for his theory of relativity, which is a common misconception. Next question in 3. Question 13. What is the Nobel Prize cash award amount, 2023? A. $500,000 USD. B. $1 million USD. C. 11 million Swedish krona. D. $5 million USD. The correct answer is 11 million Swedish krona. As of 2023, each Nobel Prize carries a cash award of 11 million Swedish krona, approximately $1 million USD, along with a gold medal and a diploma. Next question in 3. Question 14. Which US President won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2009? A. George W. Bush. B. Bill Clinton. C. Barack Obama. D. Jimmy Carter. The correct answer is Barack Obama. Barack Obama won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2009, just 9 months into his presidency, for his extraordinary efforts in international diplomacy and nuclear disarmament. Next question in 3. Question 15. Marie Curie discovered which two radioactive elements? A. Uranium and thorium. B. Polonium and radium. C. Cesium and radium. D. Polonium and uranium. The correct answer is polonium and radium. Marie Curie discovered polonium, named after her homeland Poland, and radium. She won the 1911 Chemistry Nobel for these groundbreaking discoveries. Next question in 3. Question 16. Which famous musician won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 2016? A. Paul McCartney. B. Bruce Springsteen. C. Bob Dylan. D. Leonard Cohen. The correct answer is Bob Dylan. Bob Dylan won the 2016 Nobel Prize in Literature for creating new poetic expressions within the American song tradition, becoming the first musician to receive this honor. Next question in 3. Question 17. How many women have won the Nobel Prize in Physics, up to 2023? A. 1 woman. B. 2 women. C. 4 women. D. 8 women. The correct answer is 4 women. Only 4 women have ever won the Nobel Prize in Physics: Marie Curie, 1903, Maria Goeppert-Mayer, 1963, Donna Strickland, 2018, and Andrea Ghez, 2020. Next question in 3. Question 18. Which South African leader jointly won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993? A. Desmond Tutu. B. F.W. de Klerk only. C. Nelson Mandela only. D. Both Mandela and de Klerk. The correct answer is Nelson Mandela and F.W. de Klerk. Both Nelson Mandela and F.W. de Klerk were jointly awarded the 1993 Nobel Peace Prize for peacefully ending apartheid in South Africa. Next question in 3. Question 19. Discovery of DNA double helix structure earned a Nobel in which year? A. 1953. B. 1958. C. 1962. D. 1969. The correct answer is 1962. Watson. Crick and Wilkins won the 1962 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for discovering the double helix structure of DNA, one of the greatest scientific achievements. Next question in 3. Question 20. Where is the Nobel Peace Prize awarded, different from other prizes? A. Stockholm, Sweden. B. Copenhagen, Denmark. C. Oslo, Norway. D. Geneva, Switzerland. The correct answer is Oslo, Norway. The Nobel Peace Prize is uniquely awarded in Oslo, Norway, while all other Nobel Prizes are presented in Stockholm, Sweden, as specified in Alfred Nobel's original will. Next question in 3. Question 21. When was the Nobel Prize in Economics first awarded? A. 1901. B. 1945. C. 1969. D. 1975. The correct answer is 1969. The Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences was first awarded in 1969 to Ragnar Frisch and Jan Tinbergen. Notably, it was added later and is not part of Alfred Nobel's original 1895 will. Next question in 3. Question 22. Mother Teresa won the Nobel Peace Prize in which year? A. 1971. B. 1975. C. 1979. D. 1983. The correct answer is 1979. Mother Teresa received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her lifelong humanitarian work caring for the poor, sick and dying in Calcutta through her missionaries of charity. Next question in 3. Question 23. Which country has produced the most Nobel Prize winners? A. United Kingdom. B. Germany. C. France. D. United States of America. The correct answer is United States of America. The United States leads with over 400 Nobel laureates, followed by the United Kingdom and Germany. Many US winners were immigrants who brought global talent to America. Next question in 3. Question 24. Who won the Nobel Prize for discovering the electron in 1906? A. Max Planck. B. J.J. Thomson. C. Ernest Rutherford. D. Niels Bohr. The correct answer is J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson won the 1906 Nobel Prize in Physics for discovering the electron in 1897, proving for the first time that atoms are made of even smaller particles. Next question in 3. Question 25. Which Indian writer was the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize in Literature? A. R.K. Narayan. B. Premchand. C. Rabindranath Tagore. D. Sri Aurobindo. The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913, becoming the first Asian ever to receive this honor, recognized for his deeply sensitive poetry collection Gitanjali. Next question in 3. Question 26. The 2020 Nobel Prize in Medicine was awarded for discovering which virus? A. HIV virus. B. Hepatitis B. C. Hepatitis C virus. D. HPV virus. The correct answer is Hepatitis C virus. Harvey Alter, Michael Houghton, and Charles Rice won the 2020 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for discovering the hepatitis C virus, enabling life-saving treatments. Next question in 3. Question 27. What happens if a Nobel Prize winner dies before receiving the prize? A. Prize given to family. B. Prize split among nominees. C. Prize not awarded posthumously. D. Prize awarded posthumously always. The correct answer is prize not awarded posthumously. Since 1974, Nobel Prizes cannot be awarded posthumously. If a laureate dies after announcement but before the ceremony, they still receive it as an exception to this rule. Next question in 3. Question 28. Which organization won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2017 for nuclear disarmament? A. Greenpeace. B. ICAN, Campaign to Abolish Nuclear Weapons. C. UN Security Council. D. NATO. The correct answer is ICAN. ICAN, International Campaign to Abolish Nuclear Weapons, won the 2017 Nobel Peace Prize for drawing global attention to the catastrophic humanitarian consequences of nuclear weapons. Next question in 3. Question 29. Alfred Nobel invented dynamite using which key ingredient? A. Gunpowder. B. TNT. C. Nitroglycerin. D. Black powder. The correct answer is nitroglycerin. Alfred Nobel invented dynamite in 1867 by stabilizing the volatile nitroglycerin with diatomite. This invention made him enormously wealthy and ultimately led him to fund the Nobel Prizes. Next question in 3. Question 30. How many Nobel Prizes are awarded in total each year? A. 5 prizes. B. 6 prizes. C. 7 prizes. D. 8 prizes. The correct answer is 6 prizes. 6 Nobel Prizes are awarded annually: physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, peace, and economic sciences. Each winner receives a medal, diploma, and cash prize.